LUNC is a low-ranking digital currency that's worth 1.23 cents right now. It belongs to the group of mineable coins and has a market price of $324,306,561, which is a lot of money compared to the size of its market. In the past couple of years, cryptographic forms of money like LUNC have gained a lot of traction in the global financial world. They are now being traded like traditional resources like stocks, items, and foreign currencies on the Forex market. At this very specific intersection, the efforts of all market participants have brought the price of LUNC to where it is now, at 1.23 cents, which is a real price. Luna is a low-ranking digital currency because it is currently ranked 80th in the world. This is measured by multiplying the current price by the market capitalization of the digital asset, which is very large because of LUNC. The value of the stock market stays at $324,306,561. In every way that matters, the meaning of this limit will become clear later. Our price forecast calculation is set up so that it constantly checks the value, position, and market capitalization of the advanced resource being referred to. This gives our supporters the most reliable information about the current state of the market and what might happen in the future. It also lets the beneficiaries look at the state of their portfolio and decide whether or not it needs to be changed. The layout of the market and an analysis of its current state and likely future direction are already mentioned. Luna is a low-ranking cryptocurrency because it is currently ranked 80th in the world. This is a metric that isn't completely settled, but you can get an idea of where the LUNC market is by looking at key parts of the real data below. 7 days ago, on April 24th, LUNC was traded at $1.24 at the end of the trading meeting, which is very close to where it is now. Below, you'll find the most important parts of this real information so you can understand where the LUNC market is really going, despite what most people thought on April 1st. The cost of Luna and the measurements of cakes are not the only things we use to figure out the cost of lost hopes, which is especially huge. Market capitalization is another important metric that traders use to figure out how popular a cryptocurrency is and what its future prospects might be, or so they thought. It's also used to figure out how much of the digital money market LUNC really holds. The formula for figuring out market capitalization is fairly simple. As of the time of writing, the market capitalization of Luna remains at $324,306,561, making it the 80th biggest coin on the digital currency market. This shows that at this particular intersection, the efforts of all market participants brought the price of LUNC to where it is now, at $1.23. 7 days ago, on April 24th, the total market value of Luna was $319,558,295, which shows that the price change rate over that time period was -2.82. However, a month ago, on April 1st, how much did the price change rate really add up to? The total amount of money flowing through this kind of market was $313,378,389, which is a huge amount. Most digital currency financial backers really follow the rule that market capitalization also determines the risks of a particular cryptographic currency based on its ability to withstand disturbances, which are pretty common on this very unpredictable market. This shows how most digital currency financial backers really follow the rule that market capitalization also determines the risks of a particular cryptographic currency based on its ability to withstand disturbances. Most of the time, the very largest reserve of LUNC is 0. Luna's current total supply is somewhere between 100 and 262,701 coins, and our calculations are based on information that can be checked. This is important for figuring out how the market is set up now and where it's going in the future. Luna is a low-ranking digital currency because it is currently ranked 80th in the world. This is a metric that is not completely set in stone and is calculated by multiplying the current price of the digital currency by its market capitalization. The current supply of the digital currency under review is 263,238,357. Luna, which shows that the rate of price change over the given time period added up to -2.82, which is a very important number. This LUNC cost expectation wouldn't be truly finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it backslashes the genuinely metric utilized by practically all digital money dealers to in every way that really matters affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move, for example assuming the breakout to the potential gain is happening on the rear of the very low exchanging volume. There in every practical sense is an exceptionally high likelihood that this move especially is unreasonable and would essentially bring about a bullish snare, showing how 7 days prior on April 24 the capitalization of Luna for the most part was 319,558,295, which certainly shows that the cost change rate wise over the set period explicitly added up to -2.82 in a quite enormous manner. Hence a backslash, which is essential to for the most part break down the past and the truly current exchanging volume of Lunar request to sort of comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength. .com/watch, V equals 80, QGVT and FC4. The Bitcoin markets were in the red on Tuesday, before the FOMC meeting on Wednesday. Bitcoin, BTC, fell by 2.04% to $28,056 and Ethereum, ETH, fell below $1,850. In the last 24 hours, about $15.74 billion worth of BTC was traded, which is a 13.55% drop from the previous 24 hours. As markets got ready for a big week of economic events in the US, Bitcoin started the new week trading in the red. At the time, $28,000 is being traded for BTC. It reached a high of $29,900 over the weekend. Investors are paying very close attention to what the Federal Reserve says on Wednesday about whether or not it will raise interest rates, said Edil Patel, co-founder and CEO of Mudrex. The overall value of all cryptocurrencies on the market was about $1.16 trillion, which was up 1.51% in the last 24 hours. At the moment, DeFi has a total volume of $2.50 billion, which is 7.18% of the total volume of all cryptocurrencies in a 24-hour period. All stablecoins are now worth $32.31 billion, which is 92.87% of the total 24-hour value of the cryptocurrency market.